Kai, and I'm teammates with Carl and Sana. And in this hackathon, we created the weather app for kids. So how it works is like for this particular project, we learned JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and we also deploy node.js. And we use the open source weather API, open weather API, to get the current weather situation description for our project. So first, we deployed our project. We put it on the GitHub, so everyone in our team, we work from the GitHub. Everyone in our team and everyone who are interested can go and look it up. I put it in the project description too. And let me show you a little bit demo of like how it works. So I used a node. We used a node for this project. So we go to the we can pull it from the GitHub, and we go to if we go to the project folder, we can install the npm and some node npm express. I already installed it, so I can just run it on my local, not the main JavaScript file. So if I ran it, the server is running port 3000. We created it on the local. Right now, we would consider to deploy our website later after we have fixed everything we want to fix. So localhost, if we go to localhost 3000, this is really just simple. We haven't done the templates yet. We all of the things we see here, we really had coded it. We just coded it from scratch, and we just learned all new stuff. So yeah, it is not perfect yet. So if we type in we can type in any city. Emirates, maybe like Emirates. Okay. So yeah, this is the result. So if we they show the weather of the Emirates, that's description, currently clear sky, and the degree of the place location. And this one thing I want to focus on is like this particular image icon. One of our teammates, Sana, she created all of our images according to the description of the weather. She really drew it by hand during this 24 hour for all of this situation. For example, let me go back to our local host, and then maybe like Bali. Go. There's another cute icon. There are several icons that she created, and we make use of it. So this is our project so far. I want to like share a few points. So we are in this project, we all didn't have any experience, and we didn't know the JavaScript. All of our teammates are first-time hackathon participants, and during this 24 hour, we learned new new language, JavaScript, and then we learned how to make use of Node.js, and how to connect our JavaScript, HTML, CSS files, and more importantly, we learned how to use the open source API on our website. So I think this is like what we learned during this hackathon, and then we want to make our website more kids friendly. So we want to make more kids theme template. We can add more images like this. We can create more. Why not? And then the things that we want to put in the really educational aspects to this website. For example, if a kids want search for a city, and then the weather show up, and we want to under there we want to put some or in some place of the website we want to put a picture, and then we want to educate educate their kids like, oh, this specific location, there usually the weather is like this, and now the weather is this, and then oh, okay, so like how some educational codes of the aspect so the kids can be more interested to learn about the weather. Yeah, I think that's our project. Thank you for listening.